Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, I'm in my elements. Woo. I have a burial to attend with my boyfriend today, so I decided to film my makeup look. As you know, I always film when I'm not going anywhere. So today I decided to film whatever look I will have on, and I'm feeling myself already. I'm not even filmed. Let's jump right into the video. So first off, I am going to start off by priming my nose with my Becca primer. Oh, is that not in the back? Oh, Becca is gone. Oh, this is where Becca is supposed to be, but she's gone. So I'm going to start off by using this primer to prime. Oh, that's a lot of primer to prime my T-zone, because today I'm going to be doing a very simple skin walk, and I'm meeting too much family members today. So I'm trying to keep my makeup as simple as possible. Of course, my friend decides to call me now when I am filming. Hello, Uzo. I'm filming. Talk fast. So next, I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Matte highlight. This stuff is very matte. It dries down matte. So you want to blend it in real good. And I'm rushing today because I'm supposed to be there for 1 o'clock and okay, so I think I am glowing now. Oh yeah. For foundation today, I'm going to be using my Black Opal True Color Pore Perfecting Liquid Foundation. It is a very lightweight foundation and it has a matte finish. I'm just going to pump some onto my plate. I'm going to be using my trusty Niban blender. I'm going to be applying that on my face. This is very lightweight foundation. Very lightweight. Like anytime I use my hand to apply it, blends in like it just blends in. Everyone. Next up, I'm going to be using the Zaron concealers in the shades medium and light, and I'm mixing these two shades because medium is my exact skin tone. I'm just going to apply a bit of medium first, and I put in a bit of light there. I'm going to take from here to also blend under my nose. I'm not going to reapply because I don't want too much concealer. Like I said, I'm meeting the family. My boyfriend is based in London, so his whole family is like coming back from burial. He lost his great aunt, so it's more like a celebration of life for you to come for me and say, oh, why are you doing makeup? And then you can see with this concealer, like I said, I work in sections. Oh, I said sections well today. I work in sections because wow, I'm blending really fast. I work in sections because they dry really fast. Just so you know, I'm looking into my mirror, guys, because I'm really rushing. I need to step out, but I have a very creative, simple eye look, and I really want to film it. So why am I so excited? Next up, I'm going to be using my Beauty by 80 powder. This is in the shade Amber. First, I'm going to set my under eye, and I don't really want to bake. I just want to set it. Yeah, just like that. If you ever wondered how I do fast makeup, this is it. I'm always like so fast. And the funniest thing, they end up being the nicest. Next up, I'm going to take my Niban Beauty brush. I'm also going to dip into that Beauty by 80 powder. And I'm going to use that to set the rest of my face. Next, for my eyes, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to be using this shade on my lid. This one. Oh, it's feeling a bit pink. I don't want pink. Okay, that one is feeling a bit pink, so I'm going to go in with this shade instead. They're kind of both pulling the same thing. I should have just used my powder. But yeah. I just want to use that to set the whole lid. I'm then going to go in with this brown shade as well. I'm going to stick into this too. Oh, my eyeshadow is taking a whole different look. This is not what I was going for. No. Next, I'm going to go with this Zaron pencil in the name Skyline. Now I'm just going to smoke that out. These eyeliners blend out so well. Let's go in with my Glam crystals in the shade Night Fever. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a bit of the spoolie, no, of the brush. I'm going to take a bit of the brush and just dab that. I don't want it to be concentrated. I'm even dabbing it on my hand first and taking it from there and just running it everywhere. Mostly on my lid. Oh, that's so pretty. Perfect. And for my lashes today, I'm going to be going in with the Rubelite. I just believe that's the pronunciation. With the Rubelite Cosmetics Luxurious 3D Mink Lash. Oh, this lashes is so cute. So as usual, I'm going to be using my Zaron Face Definer. And I'm going to be taking this shade, Middle, as usual. And I'm going to do that. Oh, yeah, that's more like it. Brought up, I think. Powder. Just trying to give my face some warmth. You can pluck me, you already know it's a wig, so there's no need for me to hide. And as usual, I'm going to put the powder. How am I looking? I'm achieving my baby girl success, little by little, small by small. So I'm going in with my e.l.f. blush palette. I'm going in with this brush. I love this e.l.f. blushes because no matter how you swell, they're just the right amount. Just give it the right amount of flush. And I am tearing up. Next, I'm going to apply my highlight, and today I'll be using the Candid Glow by Yanga Beauty, and this is in the shade Oh Shit. And I'll be using my NARS brush to apply this. So I'm just applying it lightly to my cheeks. Ooh. Now I'm taking away all the madness, like. Now going straight to the lips, I'm going to take my trusty old cork pencil. Next up, I'm just going to apply my NYX lip gloss in the shade Beige. I just want a nice glossy look. Next up, I'm going to tint my brow. This is my last step for my brow routine. Yeah. I'm using the Blot Cosmetics brow tint in the shade Light Coffee, and I'm just going to use that to quickly brush my brows. And last, I'm going to spray some Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. That word continuous is what I love. I don't have to like, look at my teeth. Can spray this stuff forever. Like, it just, see that? So guys, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I was not trying to do too much color to the eye. Like I said, I'm going for a burial. Even this blue is scaring me now, but I was just trying to incorporate some of the blue from my Ankara. Let me show you guys. I was trying to incorporate some of the blue from my Ankara onto my eyes, and that's why I have a little bit of glitter on my eyes for my black crystals. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to your girl's channel. I just like this thing. And I will see you guys on my next one.